Like and subscribe for life-changing events. Like and subscribe for life-changing events.
Ever wondered how you can make an extra $100 a day? You know, that little bit of breathing room that can change everything? Let me tell you, it's totally doable, and you don't need some fancy degree or a million followers to make it happen. This is about tapping into what you're already good at, what already gets you fired up, and turning that passion into profit. We're talking about leveraging your skills, your interests, the stuff that makes you, you, and turning it into a side hustle that can bring in
Subscribe
serious
for
cash.
life-changing
Are
events.
you ready? Let's get this bread. First things first, we got to figure out what you're good at. What are you passionate about? What do people
Like and
always come to you
subscribe
for
for
help with?
life-changing events.
This isn't just about skills you learned at school or work. It's about those hidden talents, those things you do effortlessly that others admire. Maybe you're a killer baker, a photography whiz, a fitness guru, or a coding ninja. Whatever it is, own it. This is your superpower, and we're about to unleash it on the world. Now that we've uncovered your strengths, it's time to pick your hustle. There are a million ways to make money online and offline. You can freelance your skills on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr, sell handmade goods on Etsy, become a virtual assistant, or even teach online courses. The key is to find something that aligns with your passions and fits your lifestyle. Remember, this should feel good, not like a chore. It's time to create a killer profile that screams, "I'm the best." Think of it as your digital storefront. Make it visually appealing, highlight your expertise, and clearly showcase what you offer. Whether it's stunning product photos, glowing testimonials, or a well-crafted service description, make sure your profile hooks potential customers from the get-go. This is your first impression, so make it count. All right, you've got your offer, you've got your platform, now it's time to get the word out. Social media is your best friend here. Share your work, engage with your audience, and build a community around your brand. Don't be afraid to get creative and think outside the box. Collaborate with others, offer discounts, run contests, and most importantly, provide value to your audience. The more you put yourself out there, the more people will find you. Listen, we're all busy, but consistency is key here. You gotta treat this like a real business, even if it's a side hustle. Block out specific time slots in your day or week dedicated to your hustle. Create a schedule and stick to it. This will help you stay organized, meet deadlines, and keep the momentum going. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is a successful side hustle. You're hustling, you're making moves. Now it's time to track your progress. Keep a close eye on your earnings and expenses. How much are you making per hour? What are your most profitable services or products? Use this data to adjust your strategy and optimize your efforts. Remember, what gets measured gets managed. The more you analyze, the better you'll understand what's working and what needs tweaking. Look, making an extra $100 a day might seem like a small step, but trust me, it can be a game changer. It's about taking control of your finances, building something of your own, and creating a future you're excited about. So, what are you waiting for? Dive in, get your hands dirty, and start building your hustle today. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight. It takes dedication, consistency, and a whole lot of hustle. Keep pushing, keep learning, and keep grinding. That $100